Today we're going to talk about who might use the accounting information to make decisions. This chart represents certain parties that might be interested in looking at the accounting information to help them make decisions. Owners and managers, creditors, investors, and government. First of all, owners and management would be interested in taking a look at a balance sheet because it shows the owner's claim on the business assets. And it shows whether or not the financial position is improving. Creditors would be interested in looking at the balance sheet because they're interested in a list of the liquid assets that are available when they consider offering credit to a business. Investors would be interested in taking a look at a balance sheet because it helps them to decide whether or not to invest money in the business, or to continue investing money in the business, or to take their money out of the business. Government is always interested in information about businesses so that they can make policy decisions, they can use the information to develop statistical reports, and they can have accurate information so that they can collect their taxes. There are some common reporting practices that need to be addressed at this time. Generally, when ruled accounting paper is used, or we have the charts that are in the workbook, dollar signs, commas, spaces, and decimals are not used and are not necessary. However, I would encourage you to use the dollar sign as it was told to you in the textbook and in class. A single line indicates addition or subtraction. A double line indicates final totals. When ruled accounting paper is not available, dollar signs, spaces, commas, decimals must be used. Dollar signs are placed in alignment before the first figure in a column and beside the final column totals when accounting forms are not used. And as I said earlier, I would encourage you to use dollar signs even in ruled accounting forms. We don't use abbreviations in balance sheets or most accounting forms. However, there are certain types of abbreviations that are allowed. Whenever a company name has words like incorporated or Inc. or company or CO and other abbreviations related to the name, that's acceptable. Accounting records must be neat and legible at all times. Your assignment today is to complete questions 10 to 12 on page 12 of your textbook. These questions can be found on our website and you can answer them on the web page. Complete case studies 1 and 4 on page 30 and 31 of your textbook, and these can also be completed on our web page. The unit test will be next class. I will be giving you a review sheet to help you prepare for the test.